Welcome to Work Mode Tech, where we build systems that turn ideas into income. Most people don't struggle with content because they lack effort. They're not lazy, they're not avoiding the work, and they're not sitting around doing nothing. In fact, most people are trying. They're thinking about content, they're planning content, they're even creating content. But despite all of that effort, something still doesn't move. And the reason for that is simple. They don't lack effort, they lack direction. Every single day, thousands of creators sit down with the intention to post something valuable. They open their laptop, they open their phone, they get ready to create, and then they pause. Not because they don't want to move forward, but because they don't know what to create that actually works. And that moment of hesitation leads to a pattern that most creators fall into without even realizing it. They start scrolling. They observe what other people are doing. They look at posts that are performing well. They analyze videos that are getting views. And then they pick something that looks like it's working, and they try to replicate it. And for a brief moment, it feels like progress. It feels like they've found direction. But when they actually post, nothing happens. No traction, no meaningful engagement, no real movement toward growth or sales. And over time, something even more frustrating begins to build, because the effort is there, the intention is there, but the results are missing. And that creates a quiet frustration, not loud enough to make them quit immediately, but strong enough to make them question everything they're doing. So the real question becomes, is the problem effort, or is it structure? Because when content is created without a clear system, it becomes reactive. It becomes dependent on what you see, what you feel, and what you think might work. And reactive content rarely builds anything sustainable. It might produce occasional results, but it doesn't create consistency. It doesn't create momentum, and it doesn't create long-term growth. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how a structured approach can transform not just what you post, but what your content actually does for you. Now let's take a closer look at what's actually going wrong beneath the surface. Most creators approach content emotionally. They create when they feel inspired. They post when they feel ready. They choose topics based on what feels interesting in the moment. And while that may feel natural, it creates inconsistency at a structural level. Because content that performs consistently is not driven by emotion. It's driven by alignment. Alignment between the platform you're using, the audience you're speaking to, the problem you're addressing, and the action you want the viewer to take. Without that alignment, content becomes disconnected. It may look good on the surface. It may sound good, but it doesn't build anything over time. Let's look at a simple example. Someone decides to create short-form content in a business niche. They post a motivational clip about success. The message might be positive. It might even be well delivered. But if it doesn't connect to a specific audience pain point, it lacks depth. If it doesn't guide the viewer toward a next step, it lacks direction. So while it might get a few views, it doesn't convert into anything meaningful. Now compare that to content that is built with intention. Content that understands exactly who it's speaking to. Content that understands what that person is struggling with. And content that is designed to move that person toward a specific outcome. That kind of content doesn't just get attention, it creates connection. And connection is what drives growth. Now let's address the real-world limitations that make content creation difficult. Because the challenge isn't just knowing what to do, it's operating within constraints. First, time. Most people are not full-time creators. They have jobs, they have responsibilities. They have limited windows where they can sit down and produce content. So when they rely on guesswork, they waste that time. They spend it thinking instead of executing. Second, financial limitations. Not everyone has access to paid tools, advertising budgets, or teams. So their content has to work organically. That means it has to be intentional. Third, skill level. Many creators are still learning. They're improving as they go. And without structure, that learning becomes slower and more frustrating. Fourth, Competition. Every platform is saturated. Every niche has thousands of voices, so random content struggles to stand out. Fifth, market uncertainty. People don't always know what their audience truly wants, so they create based on assumptions. And assumptions lead to inconsistency. And finally, emotional endurance. Creating content consistently without results is draining. It creates doubt, and doubt leads to hesitation. But here's the key insight. These constraints don't go away. What changes is how you operate within them. A structured system doesn't remove constraints. It allows you to move through them with clarity. Now let's compare two creators. The emotional creator starts with a feeling. They ask, what do I feel like posting today? They react to trends. They follow what's popular. Some days they are active. Some days they disappear. After a few months, they have content, but no clear direction. Now compare that to a structured creator. They don't start with emotion. They start with clarity. They understand their audience. They understand the problems they are solving. They understand the outcome they want from each piece of content. So every post has purpose. After 3 months, their content begins to connect. After 6 months, it builds consistency. After 12 months, it produces results. Not because they worked harder, but because they worked with structure. So what does a structured system actually do? At a conceptual level, it organizes your thinking before you create anything. Instead of starting with an idea, it starts with clarity. It considers where the content will be posted, who the audience is, what problem is being addressed, what tone best fits the message, and what action should follow. Once these elements are aligned, content becomes intentional. From there, the system helps generate ideas that actually make sense, hooks that capture attention, and content directions that lead toward action. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine someone trying to grow using short-form content. Without structure, they might post something generic like how to make money online. It's broad, it lacks focus, and it doesn't speak to a specific audience. Now with a structured approach, everything changes. They identify their audience. Beginners who don't know where to start, they identify the pain, confusion, and overwhelm, and they define the goal, to provide clarity. Now the content becomes why most beginners fail to make money online and what they should focus on first. Now it speaks directly to a problem. Now it offers direction. Now it has purpose. And that shift changes everything. And this is where many creators get stuck. They understand the need for structure, but they don't know how to build it consistently. So instead of guessing, I created a system that organizes this process step by step. A system that takes your situation, aligns it with real audience needs, and provides direction you can actually use. And to make this practical, not just theoretical, there's also a working example included, so you can see how this actually plays out in a real scenario. Because at its core, this is about identity. Are you creating content based on reaction, or are you building something with intention? Structured creators move differently. They don't rely on motivation, they rely on clarity. They don't chase trends blindly, they use direction. And over time, that shift creates stability. It creates consistency. And most importantly, it creates results. So if you've been creating content without seeing progress, if you've been relying on guesswork, if you've been putting in effort without direction, then it may be time to change the approach. Not by doing more, but by doing it differently. With structure, with clarity, with intention. Click the link in the description and take the next step toward building content that not only gets attention, but creates movement. This is Work Mode Tech. We build systems, not guesses.